Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about hierarchical inheritance. So multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. We're going to write a program where multiple classes, we call them dog and cat in this example, inherit from a common parent class called animal. So here is the parent class. It has a function called sound, and animals make sounds. Message is going to be shown in the output whenever this function is called. The dog class is inheriting from the animal class. It has the same name function called sound, and this message is shown whenever the sound function is called dog barks. And also we are having the second child class inheriting from the animal parent class, and again the same name for the function sound, and this message is shown cat mews. Okay, so now we are creating objects, one from the dog class and one from the cat class. When we call the sound functions using the dog object and the cat object, we are going to call the sound in the dog class and also the sound in the cat class. Let me say it one more time. So I create an object called D from the dog class, and I use that object to call the sound function. When I use the D object to call the sound function, this sound function is going to be called. Why? Because the D is created from the dog class. So this sound function is called. And also, I then create an object called C from the cat class, and using that object, when I call the sound function, this sound function is going to be called because it is from the cat class and I'm using an object of the cat class. So when I run the code, we see that this message is shown first dog barks because we call the sound function in the dog class. Then cat mews is this sound function because we use the cat object to call the sound function. So this is how we can have hierarchical inheritance in Python, where multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. Thank you for watching.